Hello everyone, in this video I will be sharing with you how to make rice soup at home. So the first ingredient will be needed to make this rice soup is rice. So I start by washing the rice. So I wash the rice about 2 to 3 times to make it clean. Also in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the health benefits of rice soup to the skin. First, I'd like to let you know that rice soap has natural properties and so it has several health benefits to the skin care. Rice soap is a gentle or mild exfoliant. It removes dirt, oil and dead skin cells without being too harsh, which is very suitable for sensitive skin. And after washing the rice and it becomes clean, I'll transfer it to a bowl, add water to cover and allow to rest for about 2 hours. Rice soap is a natural moisturizer because of the natural oil that is present in rice soap. It reduces dryness and flakiness of the skin. And after 2 hours, this is how our rice look like. Next, I will transfer into a strainer to strain the water from it completely. Rice soap can also keep the skin hydrated and leave the skin smooth and soft. And after straining the water from the rice completely, transfer into a tray, spread out properly and take to the sunlight for it to dry. Rice soap is a natural and chemical-free soap, so it is free from harsh chemicals and it is good option for those looking for a natural skincare product. And after drying the rice for some hours, here we have the rice which is now dried. So the next step is to go ahead, transfer into a blender and blend into a fine powder. Rice soap also helps to improve the skin elasticity. The vitamins and minerals in rice can boost collagen production, which helps in improve the skin elasticity and firmness. Rice soap has anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and help with conditions like sunburn and eczema. Rice soap can also be used for the control of excess oil, especially for those with oily skin. Rice soap can regulate oil production, keeping the skin balanced and less prone to acne breakout. And after blending the rice and it becomes smooth, transfer into a collecting container. With this, we'll be using for the production of our rice soup. I'll set the rice flour aside. Then I'll start by peeling our potatoes, which is another vital ingredient that we'll be using for the production of our rice soup. Rice soap also has anti-aging properties. It is rich in antioxidants like vitamin E. Rice soap can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And after peeling the potatoes, we go ahead and wash them clean. And after washing, cut into blendable size and set aside. So another vital ingredient that will be needed for the production of our rice soup is aloe vera. So we start by cleaning the aloe vera and also cutting the spines along the edges of the aloe vera. Another great benefit of rice soap to the skin is that it can help lighten dark spots, pigmentation, and even out the skin tone. The natural enzyme and nutrient in rice can gently exfoliate dead skin and reveal a brighter complexion. So, rice soap is great in skin brightening. And after removing the spines along the aloe vera leaf and cutting the edge, and after cleaning the aloe vera, leave in the water for about 20 minutes to get rid of the latex, which is the yellowish substance coming out from the cut of the aloe vera. And after 20 minutes, I'll bring back and cut the aloe vera into blendable size. After cutting them, add the aloe vera and the potatoes together in a blender and blend smoothly. Rice soap is a skincare product that can help brighten the skin, promote clearer and healthier skin. And after blending the potatoes and the aloe vera and becomes smooth, I'll transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. Please, if this is your first time of watching my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. To all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. And after squeezing out the aloe vera and potato juice, I'll set aside and allow to rest for about 30 minutes for the foam on top to disappear. And next, I'll be measuring out about 61 grams of the juice. So I place a bowl on the digital scale and measure out about 61 grams that I'll be using for the production of the rice soup. Next, I will add to it 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. So I'll cut the vitamin E capsule oil and add them to it. And after adding the 3 capsules of vitamin E oil, next I will add to it lavender oil. So I'll be adding just a drop of it to it. Then stir together properly. And once it's well combined, I'll be adding to it 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour. And as you can see from the video, this is the first tablespoon. Next, I'll be adding a half tablespoon. Then I'll mix together until it is well combined. And after mixing the rice flour and the other ingredients together properly, I will set aside. Next, I will bring in the glycerin based soap base and cut into cubes for them to dissolve easily. So I'll be using 250 grams of this for the production of the rice soup. And after cutting the glycerin based soap base into cubes, I'll transfer into a bowl. Take to the stove top for double boiling. And here I have my water, which has already started boiling. I'll be placing the bowl on it. Stir the soap base at interval until it dissolves completely. Once the soap base is completely dissolved, turn off the heat and remove from the stove top. And next I will add to the soap base the rice mixture with other ingredients and stir together. And this is how to use rice soap effectively. Wet the affected part of your skin with lukewarm water. This will help the pores of the skin to open up for better absorption of the soap nutrients. And after mixing them together and it is well combined, pour into a mold gently. And after pouring it inside the soap mold, spray with alcohol spray so that the foam on top can disappear. Then set aside for about 4 to 5 hours for it to solidify. Or you can also put in the refrigerator for within 1 hour for it to solidify. And after it has solidified, here is our rice soap. I'll be removing it from the mold. When you use rice soap consistently, you will notice that your skin becomes smoother, brighter, and healthier. You can use it 1 to 2 times a day depending on your skin type. And after removing it from the mold, let's try out our rice soap. So I wash my hand with the rice soap, and as you can see from the video, it comes with a great lather. Please kindly like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.